I'll guide you through how to sell Notion templates. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to Notion.com and click Create a New Page from the left sidebar. It's right beside your name. From here, you can start create your template. You can add a table, navigation, or to-do list to make it more interactive. Once you're happy with the layout, head to the top right corner of the page and click Share. Then, select the Publish option and hit Publish again at the bottom. Make sure to turn on Duplicate as Template. This lets other users copy your template with just one click. Now, copy the public link that Notion gives you. Next, create a text file and paste that link into the text file. This is what you'll deliver to your customers. Now go to 𝗕𝗂𝗀𝗀𝘀𝗀, log into your account, and start uploading your product. Select the TXT file you just created, set a title and price, then share your product to your social media or anywhere you want, and don't forget to advertise it.